Nothing launched the Nothing Ear 2 truly wireless earbuds at a global launch event today. The Nothing Ear 2 is the company's first second-generation device, and it succeeds the Nothing Ear 1 that was launched in India last year at the price of Rs 6,999. The newly launched Nothing Ear 2 truly wireless earbuds offers several major upgrades over its predecessor. These earbuds come with high-resolution audio certification for high-quality sound and support for LHDC 5.0 technology. In addition to this, the Nothing Ear 2 also enables users to create their own personal sound profile, which in turn lets them get the sound that is customized to their hearing needs. Coming to pricing, the Nothing Ear 2 are priced at $149 globally. In India, these earbuds will be available at a price of Rs 9,999. These earbuds will be available for purchase in the country via Flipkart, Myntra and select offline stores starting 12 p.m. on March 28. First, let's talk about the design of the Nothing Ear 1 successor. Nothing says that it has completely redesigned these earbuds to use a combination of polyurethane and graphene, which it says delivers even richer high frequencies and deeper, softer bass compared to Ear 1. Additionally, it comes with a dual-chamber design, which the company says creates a larger space for smoother airflow and clearer sound. They also feature IP54 water resistance ratings on the earbuds and IP55 water resistance ratings on the case. In addition to this, the Nothing Ear 2 earbuds come with the company's Clear Voice technology yet, which essentially couples 3 high-definition microphones on each earbud and an AI noise reduction algorithm to eliminate background noise and enhance the user's voice during calls in real time. However, one of the most noteworthy features of Nothing Ear 2 is a feature called Personal Profile, which allows users to create a personal sound profile with their hearing ID. Coming to specifications, the Nothing Ear 2 come with an 11.66 mm dynamic driver with a custom diaphragm. They come with high-resolution audio certification and feature support for LHDC 5.0 codec technology, which the company says enables them in delivering a more finer quality sound and transmit frequencies up to 24-bit or 192 kHz at speeds of up to 1 Mbps. Talking about the battery life, Nothing says that the Ear 2 can deliver up to 36 hours of music playback after full charge of the charging case with ANC turned off. They also feature support for fast charging technology, which enables it to deliver up to 8 hours of runtime on 10-minute charge. They also support wireless charging up to 2.5 watt and can reverse charge on compatible devices like the Nothing Phone 1.